In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove red eye in Photoshop. Red eye happens when a camera flash reflects off the back of the eye, leaving a harsh red glow in the pupils. The good news is Photoshop has a dedicated tool that makes fixing this quick and clean, and I'll walk you through it with a few helpful tips so your results look natural. With your photo open in Photoshop, start by zooming in on the eyes so you can work precisely. Getting in close helps you click exactly where you need to and judge whether the correction looks realistic. If you like using shortcuts, you can tap the plus key with the modifier to zoom in and hold the space bar to pan around the image, but the on-screen zoom controls work just as well. Aim for a view where the pupil fills a comfortable portion of your screen without becoming blurry. Next, select the red eye tool. You'll find it nested under the spot healing brush in the toolbar. If you see the spot healing brush icon, click and hold or right click to reveal the flyout menu, then choose red eye tool. It looks like a small eye icon. If you prefer the keyboard, the J key cycles through the healing tools and you can toggle until red eye is active. Before clicking, glance up at the options bar so you know where the settings live. Now click directly on the red part of the pupil. One clean click per eye is usually enough. Aim for the center of the red area. Photoshop analyzes the surrounding tones and replaces the red with a natural-looking dark pupil while preserving the iris color. If there are two eyes in the shot, repeat the same single click on the second eye. If the result looks too light, too dark, or the pupil feels too large or too small, adjust the settings in the options bar. Pupil size controls how much of the area is treated. Increasing it covers a larger circle, which helps if the red bled outward. Darken amount controls how deep the replacement tone is. A higher value makes the pupil richer and darker. Make a small adjustment, then click again to see the difference. Subtle is key, enough to remove the glow without creating an inky, unnatural dot. Take a moment to zoom out and assess the overall balance. The fix should blend in so the viewer never notices an edit. That's all there is to it. Zoom in on the eyes, pick the red eye tool under the spot healing